Backed by a team of hard-working professionals with international experience in the solar industry, Powercent aims to develop and distribute clean energy products of the highest quality. Among the high-quality products that they manufacture is the PC-RESS-AllinoneA01, a complete and easy-to-install energy storage solution that is integrated with a hybrid inverter, battery management system, thermal management system and distribution panel. The product uses a lithium iron phosphate or LFP battery type and is safer and offers more benefits than conventional lead-acid batteries. It is lighter in weight, has improved discharge and charge efficiency, and has a longer lifespan. The battery has a high cycle life of 10,000 times, making it a worthy investment. Its built-in hybrid inverter allows for an uninterrupted power supply. It has an exceptional level of efficiency of 99% for optimal solar energy conversion. The inverter also has a total harmonic distortion value of less than 3%, which indicates a low chance of overheating and other electrical issues, ensuring a longer equipment lifespan. Customers are assured of our product's safety with its IP65 rated enclosure that provides strong protection for internal electronic components. Its wide operating temperature range of -25 to 60 degrees Celsius means it can perform consistently even in environments with extreme temperatures. This storage system comes with an LED screen display and RS-485 standard communication interface for convenient monitoring with fast data transmission speed. Various certifications such as EN 61000, IEC 62109 and CEI 021 serve as proof of the product's reliability.